Alright, so here I have a couple of air conditioners right here in my other neighborhood. It's kind of too far away though, so. Okay, here's a rain unit right here. Oh, look at that. Set that upside down by accident. But it's from 2015. And it's a 2.5 ton. They actually set that upside down. That's pretty stupid. Over here we have a big ton. Right here. Okay, this is from 2008. And it's a 2.5 ton. And right here we have a Train XB that they don't make anymore. It's kind of sad right now. So it's this kind of rare units like these. Alright, this is from 2012 and it's a 2.5 ton. So yeah. And I hope I don't get caught by somebody. So we got a couple of ducks right there. And they don't mind if I film these. Actually, this is from 1990, 2-ton. I actually don't know what this is. Alright, let's see. This is a Weather King from 2005. And it's I think it's a 2.5 ton. Come on, get out of my way, please. And this one right here. It's actually pretty shaky. Alright, this is for 1990 and it's a 2-ton. This is almost illegible. This one just shut off. What a weird shutdown. It's got a Bristol. Come on, ducks, get out of my way. And over there is that Ring Classic I filmed a while back. And I caught it starting up, but not the compressor like that. So we got a couple of more right here. In this ream. Alright. So, this one, it's actually running right now. It's the one that I caught starting up. Here's the Goodman. Yeah, I should get out of here. There's like dogs barking me. I don't like it. I don't even like that kind of. So, anyways. Alright, here's a Train. That's a Train XR right there and a Goodman running. Let's see, this one's from 2011 and it's a 2-ton. That's a Train XR12 right here. Oh, this one has a coupler reciprocating. I've never seen that on a Train before. Let's see the data on this. Alright, this one's from 2002 and that's a 2-ton. So. Here we have a Nordine, Philco, and a Weather King, I believe. Or a Ring Corsair. Oh yeah, this is a Weather King. This is from 2005. And that's a 2-ton. Philco unit. Alright, 2010. 2-ton. Dog barking. I hate it when dogs bark. There's a carrier in that York over there I filmed a while back, so I'm gonna go get these later. Starting up. The unit doesn't look like it has been running. What is this Train? Let's see this one. Oh, it hasn't been running. So let's see if this Nordine's running. Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, it has been running. It's got micro channel. I just wish there is some micro channels on cars and everything, but I don't know how that doesn't work on air conditioners, but that works on all cars. Whoa. This Weather King just started up right there. But anyways, I got the Train logo right here. It's the XR12. It's a pretty rare one, so It's actually pretty hard to take out, but I didn't rip these part, so. Oh, come on. We got several ducks right there. Never seen a neighborhood like this having ducks around. Sometimes they do hiss, though. You don't mess with them. There's only one over there that's doing something. Alright, let's go back to these units right here. I'm not stepping on that mud puddle to get a data sheet on this ream or rude. Unit, and this is a good one. I really do not think they don't make Weather Kings anymore. Alright, here we have a carrier unit in that York I filmed. Oh, the unit has been running. So, here's this York right here. This is a really nice looking York living series unit from 2007. There's a mud puddle right there. The unit also has been running. Oh, there's a Bristol compressor. This one has a coupling scroll. Pretty nice looking units for a carrier in the York. Anyway, I've never seen anything like this before. There's like 3 zone units right here. So yeah, that's 3 zone right here. Alright, let's see this one. It's a ream. It's from 2011 and it's a 2-ton. Come on, let that focus right there. Focus, come on. Alright, there we go, 2011. Let's see this one. Alright, this one's from 2009 and it's a 2-ton. This is a Ring Classic 10-series unit with a weird looking compressor right there. I've never seen anything like that before. I thought these were only for window air conditioners. And the data's illegible. Oh, and last it's from. This is a 1990. That's almost illegible. And it's a 2-ton as well. So yeah, that is almost illegible right here for a unit. Anyways, I guess that's it for now. Over and out.